made sure to clean my kitchen. It looks nice and picked up for you guys. So I thought I'd give you this background instead of always giving you like my cabinets. Well, except you're getting them, whatever, it's a little different. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to make a quick video on the topic of exercise. I get so many messages and questions about the topic of exercise. What is the best exercise for weight loss? What kind of exercise did I do to lose 70 pounds? How much do you have to exercise to be able to lose weight? And what can you do if you don't have time or room in your schedule or have injuries that prevent you from being able to exercise much, if any? Is there anything you can do to be able to continue to lose weight? So I've made some short videos on this topic on my Instagram page and my TikTok page. So remember, you can follow me there for continued content and information to help you guys on your journey. Okay, so what is the best form of exercise for weight loss? Now, I'm always prone to say that, in my opinion, the best form of exercise is the exercise that you enjoy. However, there has been a lot of research and studies done on different forms of exercise and what seems to be the best for not only weight loss, but overall health and longevity. And what research has found is that walking is one of the best forms of exercise that you can do. The longest lived people groups on the planet that live well into their hundreds, disease-free, were found to all walk around 5 miles a day, which translates to about 10,000 steps a day. So if you're asking me what, in my opinion, is the best form of exercise for not only weight loss, but overall health, I'm gonna say walking. Now, walking is all I did the entire time I was on my 70-pound weight loss journey. I was doing a lot of extreme workouts like CrossFit, trying to jog, cycle, run, do anything I could to lose weight. And it was not only exhausting, it was hard on my body, and I wasn't getting anywhere with my weight loss. Now, the biggest part that is going to affect your weight loss and whether you see weight loss or not is your diet. So I will cover more on diet near the end of the video. Okay, so as most of you know, I used to be 70 pounds heavier than I am today. I'm a petite person, I'm only 5'3", and my weight teetered for years between 189 and 194 pounds. I tried everything. I tried every diet, every exercise regimen, some supplements I'd rather not admit to help me lose weight, and I could just never get a substantial amount of weight off, and when I did get some weight off, I just couldn't seem to maintain it. So when I switched to a low-fat, plant-based diet, everything changed for me. Weight just started melting off my body, and I decided to take this time and this journey to take a break from all of the extreme exercise that I was not enjoying and to just relax, enjoy the process, connect with myself and my body, and that took the form of a daily walk. That's all I wanted to do. Nothing sounded fun. I didn't want to get on my bike. Walking is all that sounded okay to me. I enjoy being outside. I love nature. So I decided that walking was gonna be my primary, and it turned out to be my only form of exercise during my weight loss journey. Now, I get asked a lot, how much did I have to exercise to lose weight? And the truth is, I took a brisk 30 to 40 minute walk every single day. And that's it, because it really comes down to your diet. The old saying that you can't out exercise a bad diet really is true unless you're like 13 or a professional athlete. So when I started my journey and I committed to taking a 30 to 40 minute walk every single day, I didn't wear a step counter. I do wear one now, and I'll talk about that in a little bit. So I didn't actually know how many steps I was getting. I just made a point of walking briskly so that it would be somewhat of an aerobic exercise. And I committed to doing that 30 to 40 minutes every single day, rain or shine, I was gonna get it done. And that's what I did. I committed to myself and I did that walk. Committing to more than that was not something I was ready to commit to. I didn't want to set myself up for failure. So that was my goal, 30 to 40 minutes every single day, and I made it happen because I was focused as I could be with my diet. I saw weight loss. Now that I've been in weight maintenance for many years, I have more energy, I feel good. I've really developed this love for being out in nature and hiking, and I still commit to myself to get in a good amount of walking every single day because I feel so good, and it's really easy for me to end up sitting at my desk answering emails or doing whatever work I need to do and not getting enough activity. So after I started reading about the longest lived people groups on the planet and learning that they all walk about 5 miles a day just because their lifestyle is more active, I committed to making sure that I was going to walk those 10,000 steps a day, which translates to about 5 miles a day. So I got a step tracker. This is a Charge Fitbit 4. I'll link it for you guys below. But before I had this guy, I just used a $20 step tracker that I had found on Amazon, and I will link that one for you guys as well. But this is great. I like it. It helps keep me motivated. It buzzes every hour and reminds me like, hey, you haven't moved. So I get up from my desk and I go walk for 10 minutes and then I come back and I keep working. Now, getting 10,000 steps a day is definitely more than 30 minutes of walking. I think it translates for me to about an hour and 20 minutes of walking in total. So in the morning, I take my dog for a 30-minute walk, and that gets me close to about 4,000 steps. Then as the day goes on, I get up from my desk every hour and I take a 10-minute walk, and then I come back to my desk and keep working. So I break up my 10,000 steps into little chunks throughout the day, which is the best way to work my activity into my busy schedule. So if you are super busy and have a sedentary job, really just find little bits of time where you can go and sneak in little walks here. You know, in the parking lot, park further away, don't look for the closest parking spot, and start with smaller goals. You know, if you're not walking at all throughout the day, don't start with a goal of 10,000 steps a day. You're gonna feel overwhelmed. You will not have built the habits to get you to 10,000 steps a day, and in the end, you'll end up feeling defeated because you failed. So start with a smaller goal. Maybe your goal needs to be 5,000 steps a day. So take a 20-minute walk in the morning and take a 20-minute walk in the evening when you get home. Just find ways to get little walks in because they will all add up throughout the day. Now, I live in the mountains in beautiful Colorado, so we can have pretty serious winters and it can really affect my ability to get my walking in, but I adapt. I have a ton of snow gear that I throw on and I go for my walk. Now, the last few days, it hasn't even gotten above 5 degrees, so I have not gone outside to go get in a walk, and I do struggle to get enough steps. I have a small treadmill in my basement, and I really don't enjoy walking on my treadmill. I find it very boring and monotonous, but I can deal with it if I'm breaking it up into little 10, 15, 20-minute sections throughout the day. Now, I have helped thousands of people for the last several years to lose weight and keep it off successfully. Every individual has their own ability, their own starting place. A lot of people have really sedentary jobs and work all day, have really busy family lives, or have physical issues that prohibit them from being able to exercise. Some people are so overweight that they can't walk comfortably right now. Some people have knee and joint issues, and that is okay. You can still lose weight because, like I said, it really comes down to your diet. I want to say 95% of being successful with weight loss will come down to your diet. All that to say that if you are in a place right now where you feel like you can't commit to getting, enough physical activity or the amount of physical activity that you would like to get, it is okay. So this is my best friend in the whole world. I've been helping her on her weight loss journey. I'm not showing you her face yet because her journey isn't quite over. So I'm gonna be really excited when I can share her story and transformation with you guys. But she has a sedentary desk job. She works full-time. She has 5 kids. One of those precious kids is autistic. She has her hands full. There's not a lot of time and energy left in a workday to get in the amount of activities she would like to be getting in. And I'm not going to tell you exactly how much she has lost yet because her journey isn't over, but I can tell you she has lost well over 40 pounds, and this is with very little exercise. She commits to herself on the weekend to go for a nice long walk and tries to do some Pilates and yoga, but that's only about an hour of activity on Saturday and an hour of activity on Sunday. And she was still able to lose all this weight through diet alone. So I want to encourage you guys that if you don't have time to give to a lot of activity right now, that is okay. Definitely put it in the future for something that you want for yourself, because there are so many more health benefits than just weight maintenance or weight loss. So you want to make sure you are reaping the benefits of living an active lifestyle. But as far as weight loss goes, do not be discouraged if you cannot give the time to it right now. Just be honest with yourself and be as good as you can with your diet so that you can continue to see the progress that you want to make. If you're new to my channel, poke around, look at all of the videos. I have documented my journey for you guys. I have tons of videos in my weight loss playlist showing you guys full days of easy meals and tips and tricks on how to be successful with weight loss when it comes to a plant-based diet. I have free resources on my website. I have loads of free recipes. I'm always posting new content on Instagram and TikTok, as well as here on YouTube. If you want more direction and want to know exactly how to get started, check out my best-selling weight loss guide and cookbook, Plentifully Lean. I break everything down in there for you guys. I make it super simple. I show you what I did and how to apply it. And then it's full of lots of yummy, easy recipes that will help make this journey for you sustainable long-term. And if you find that you still need more help and support, make sure you check out the program that I co-created with High Carb Hannah. It's called Eat More, Weigh Less. It's on sale. It's 40% off right now. It includes a very comprehensive, detailed video course where we outline in absolute detail everything that you could possibly need to know to be successful long-term. It also includes our Lean for Life ebook with over 100 easy recipes that are color-coded to help guide you through what are the best recipes for weight loss and what are best for weight maintenance. You also get access to our private online support community. This is my favorite part of the whole thing. This is where you can connect and meet with other people that are on this journey. We have a lot of people in there that they're the only ones in their house doing this, or they don't have friends or family that are supportive of their new diet and lifestyle. So this is the place where they find support and they find community. We love getting in there and seeing how people are supporting each other. We help you guys troubleshoot and answer questions that you may have regarding your diet or the areas that you're struggling with. So again, if you want more help, make sure you check it out. I will have everything linked for you guys below. All right, guys, that is going to be it for me today. Remember that your activity and exercise can look as simple as walking every day. You can be as active as you want to be, but you also don't need to feel discouraged if you're at a place where you just really hate exercise or you're not in a space where you're able to commit to daily movement. You can still be successful on your weight loss journey. All right, remember to keep this journey about health and not just about the skinny. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.